In this video, we'll be going over the TekMonitor View panel, as well as the settings and options associated with it. So first off, we will go over how to switch what view you're currently looking at in this panel down here. In order to do that, you'll want to go to View, select TekMonitor View, and you'll be presented with a list of all the views saved for this project. So if I want to switch it to device inventory, just that. But for now, we'll just keep it on device status. As you can see here, there are a number of fields that are left blank at the moment. In order to fix that, we'll go to Tools, TekMonitor View, Editor. So here it pulls up the current view information for the selected TekMonitor, in this case TLB 100A. As you can see here, a number of these fields are left blank. In order to add data to these columns, you need to find the appropriate data in this big list here and drag it over to the appropriate column. So for device connected, we will want to go scroll down and find our device. In this case, a Samsung display. We'll want to drag the device connected over here. And while we're here, we'll also do device power and input select for the source. After that is system power. You'll find that under the host section, host system power. After that is device theft, which usually comes after the first main serial device, as device status. Lamp hours are generally only for bulb-based projectors, and that's not really a concern here, so we'll skip it. But we will drag the remaining maintenance hours over to the maintenance hours field. And then in order to save this and have it show up down here, you just hit apply. And as you can see, it immediately updated the form with the information we just put in. As you can see, it only added the data for the device we are currently, the TekMonitor we are currently looking at. If you want to apply that to multiple TekMonitors, you want to click this button, Apply Map To, and select the TekMonitors you want to apply this data to. I'm just going to apply this to all of the TekMonitors here, but not all views will work appropriately depending on the kind of device you have. So if, for example, you have TekMonitors that use either like a different manufacturer or a different kind of device, like a projector versus a display, you'll probably want to do them separately and apply it to the rooms that match with it. But as you can see here, for the most part, all the data filled out as expected. Just hit apply. So what if you want to add a new column to a view? You just click this Add Column button, and it will give you a list of the currently set up columns. We'll be going over how to edit and add columns in a bit. So let's say we want to add the IP address of the TekMonitor. So we'll just check this box here that says IP address and hit OK. And it will automatically add it to the bottom of our list. And if you want to move it in the list, you can use these arrows here to move it up to a position that you would like. Then hit apply, and it will update. There we go. Now we'll be going over some of these other buttons you see down here. As you can see, new will let you create a new column, and you can name it as you wish, as well as select the various columns you want to show in this view. If you want to edit a view, just click the edit button and you can add or remove columns as you wish. If you wish to make a new view based off of the one you're currently editing, you hit clone, and it will give you a new view with all of your current views columns selected, and you can add on to it as you wish. So for example, we can add motion to it and name this device status with motion. And voila, there we go. If you decide you no longer want a view, you can click this delete button and it will delete it. If you decide, you can also copy and paste whole views in a similar way to clone. So if, for example, I wanted to copy the device status over the monitor status, I just select device status, hit copy, then go back to monitor status and hit paste, and it will update it with all the columns from device status. I'm going to hit cancel because I don't particularly want to do that right now. And I'll open back up the editor. As you can see here, there's also a default map. If you click that, it'll take all the data you have in the view and make that the default for when new TekMonitors get added to a project. That way you don't have to do as much setup in the future for new TekMonitors for new rooms. You can use apply default to apply the default settings to a TekMonitor that is already in the project. Get map will get a map that has been saved in a TekMonitor with this save in TekMonitor button. And we've already been over the apply map to button. You can also, over here, if you want to remove a column, you can use this remove button. And if you want to clear the mapping in a column, so let's say you don't actually want source to be Samsung input, you can hit that and it will clear it. And you can select a new data point from over here, though you can also just drag the new data over what you already have. Now we'll get to adding new columns. So as you can see from both the edit and the add columns option, there's a column master button, which will open up a list with all of the columns as they're currently set up. You can also reach that from Tools, TekMonitor View, Master Column List. So for this example, let's go easy link 1 for to see if a TekMonitor has any easy link connections. This can be easy link. It is a text column, As you can see, there are a number of column types, text number, and a variety of icons based off of, we have ones made for device power, lamp and maintenance status, as well as a number of other ones. And right here, we have the width of the column. So I'm going to set it at around this, and we'll see how it works out when we add it to our view. This column name is the name that will show up in like the column list. The heading name is how it will appear down here on the table itself. And as I've been over, the width is the width of the field itself in pixels. So we've done that. Let's hit apply and go back to our view editor. So we'll want to go and find we'll want to add our new field down here at the bottom, EasyLink 1. As you can see, it's shown up down there. And for the EasyLink, we'll want the host EasyLink port connected. Just drag that here, hit apply, and there you go. As you can see, this TekMonitor here does indeed have a control device connected to it via EasyLink. And that covers all you need to know about TekMonitor Views. Thank you for watching this video.